Okay, let's continue. I'll take it over again with the roof. So let's continue with the roof. That's it. We have our gable already. Now we are going to project these walls, the closest walls to the roof. We are going to project them up. Up at this side so I can see it. Escape. At this height to like 8. See, so the heights pretty much add up. Now we're going to use a similar method to something we did previously. Therefore, what we're going to do here is we're going to escape. We're going to right click, go to connect, solid, element operation, and here they are, the 3 targets, which are these walls are already highlighted. So we click outside and we'll now click to the roof. That's selecting the roof, and then that's our operator. We go to subtraction, we are going to subtract upward this time, and then we execute. So you see, that's the method we have used to trim that wall. Clear this up. Okay. So we're almost done with the basics of the simple house. So the last thing we're going to do is to put a slab down here. I'll just click somewhere here. But before we do that, I'd like to show you how you can see your views. If you like to see your views, you come to the navigator in your bar, take the project map. Here is elevation. You'll have the east elevation. If you double click, so that's your east elevation. Double click north, south, and you have your west. It's fun, right? So those are your elevations. I'll go back to 2D, and then remember, my interest is not showing you elevations but the 3D aspect of your building. So I have a slab there. I'm going to take this slab to negative 0.45, and I'll change its material from the others. Highlight its material here. Not there, sorry. Here, the top, I'll take a brick mouse, and that's what we have. You might like to put some design here using your window, therefore I'll go back here. I'll take wall. I like to finish my house, so I'll go to negative, I use -0.45. I can reduce the height of my wall by put it to 2. I can just use any side I wish. I'll just draw it carelessly. It ain't gonna be a white house, so I'll highlight this and change the property of this wall. Okay, the stones look a little natural. Now let's give the window that's window. I've double clicked on window, so I will go to special windows. You can use any of this, it's your choice. I use this, but I'll reduce the size. I use 0.6, it's uniform. I use 3.1. I'll use 01 method. K. I'll bring it here. Let's check it out. That's it. Escape. Now right click on it. I'll change the height from 3 turn to 3.5. I think it's okay there. Then spatial window settings, go. I'll just need to let's leave it at 3. It's okay. Your materials, whatever you wish. It's your choice. I'll just put it to black, though not good. You might also want to put people around your building, so you just go to object, you type people, so these are the people we have. I'll take this guy, he's walking. I'll set him to 0 and put him in the house. He's at 0. You can change his color by going to you can change his hair if you wish. You can change his skin. You can change his trousers. I'll just change his top to orange or yellow. I'll just say yellow. Yellow is not too good. I don't like yellow personally. So I'll click some other color. I'll say blue. Okay, put him somewhere here. So that's a human. Let's take slab and then